Hey guys, hello and welcome to Saturday Salvage episode 2. So what do we have here? Guys, what I have today is an SMPS type power supply which came from my ring light. And yes, I've been trying to repair this ring light and this power supply was totally toast. So I thought, well, why not salvage the components before throwing the rest of the circuits away. So I'll try to remove whatever is functional and whatever works. So as you can see, already some components are missing. So where are they? Well, they are here. So these are the stuff that I have removed. So of course I have these nice little trim pots. They were originally there in the ring light for adjusting the brightness. And yes, I'm going to repair that ring light using a different kind of method. So if you want to check out that repair, make sure to hit that subscribe button right away so that the videos can come to you like that. So what I have managed to salvage are a bunch of capacitors, and these are always good. So you can always use a bunch of capacitors in your DIY project. So I have a large one. This is 47 UF. I have the 1000 UF rated at 25 volts, and I have a few of these. So these are, I guess, 470 UF rated at 25. Yeah, so these are 470 UF. Let's focus at 25 volts. So you can always use a bit of capacitors. So where shall I keep them? In my project box, of course. So here is this my project box. Let's place it here, and this is the capacitor section. So off they go like that. Now other than this, I've also recovered a few rectifiers. So let me show it to you, and these are very interesting ones. This is a regular diode, the usual stuff, so nothing special. So I'll just put it in here. This is the rectifier section. This is a bridge rectifier. So you know the stuff that you build using 4 individual diodes. This is an entire integrated package, so you don't have to rig up those diodes. This is rated at 2 amps. Yes, I have taken a good look at the data sheets of all of this, and I already have projects in mind for these components. So this is a nice little bridge rectifier rated at 2 amps. For a small project, this could be nice. And this is a pretty special one. So this is a TO220 package, which makes it very nice and easy to mount on a heatsink. And thankfully, yes, it did come with a heatsink. And yes, I'm also going to salvage these things. So I'm going to remove the rest of the components after I'm done with this video. So these heatsinks are not going anywhere, so that I'll remove. And this is a 20 amp, and this is almost, you can say, this is a combination of two diodes. Now I don't know if the camera will be able to focus, but this is a combination of two diodes, and you can say sort of having a center tap in the between, if that makes sense. So this is the common point, and there are two diodes rated at 10 amps each. So yes, that is the symbol there. So a very nice package for rectification or for any kind of little project. So here it goes in the the diode section. So the camera is again losing focus. Okay, that's better. So this is my rectifier section. So what do we have here? Yes, I forgot about this thing. So this is an X2 capacitor. This is an AC capacitor. Again, very nice if you want to make capacitive droppers for your LED projects or something. Very useful piece of kit right there. So I already have a few over here salvaged. So these nice ones, they're pretty good in DIY projects. So here they go. Now let's come towards a little special, little interesting stuff. So these round things over here, out of these things are an MOV. This is a high voltage protection device, and this one is rated at 300 volts. I mean it will blow up at 300 volts, and when it blows up, it creates a short, and that short will help blow out the fuse or trigger your MCB. So that is how it protects against mains high voltage situation. So again, a very useful stuff over there. And let's come to the last but not the least component. This is very special. This is known as an NTC, also known as an inrush current limiter. So if you have say a big motor which takes a lot of load at startup, you can use this thing, and it is going to help ease out that starting process. It helps to dampen that surge which happens, the jerk which happens during the startup. So already I can see that there will be a lot of projects centered around this thing. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that those projects can come to you like that. So this is a very interesting, very nice device, and I can already foresee trying to start nice heavy duty motors from solar inverters or something like that. So yes, this will be very interesting to see. Well, so that was it regarding today's Saturday salvage. I'll get to this thing. You guys hit the nice little like button down below. Take care and have a nice day.